God blessed me to get a brand new 2012 car, which I didn't ask for. And I still have my 2009 car. And it was just truly a blessing because, like I said, I didn't ask for it, and I was blessed with it, with no car payment, and no, I do not have to pay no car insurance either. So I was blessed all the way. And if God did it for me, He can do it for you. All you got to do is just listen to Pastor Dana, follow her instructions, because God really uses Pastor Dana, and I know this for a fact. Like others said, wherever she go, I will find her. She can't get away. Because ever since I met you, you know, I've been to, when you came to Tampa, you know, which is my home, and then you went over to Orlando, and I was there, and you know, God is just really good because I only get $674 a month. And God takes care of me. I don't know when the last time I bought any of my clothes or when I go on trips, it is taken care of. And that's the way I live because I live so close with God. And you know, you have to have faith. Because in Hebrews 11:6 it says, without faith it is impossible to please Him. And so I try to do the best that I can because He said there's none perfect but the Father, but you strive to be perfect, you strive for that perfection. And I just thank God for everything, and I thank God for Pastor Dana because I know she's a woman of God.